Let's head over to pump.fun to find the coin that we want to copy. Now, copy its token address. Next, connect wallet if you are not connected. On left side navigation, under pump.fun, select Token Launch. Now click on Clone Token on top right side and paste the token address that you copied from pump.fun. System automatically cloned all the information from the provided address. You can edit the info if you want them to be changed. If you want some custom address for your token, toggle this custom address and enter the prefix or suffix for your token address. This generated address is your token address. Enable bundle by wallets if you want to buy from one or more address. Select the buy amount. You can copy your generated wallet address. That will help you to search your token on PumpFun. Hit on launch. System preparing your launch steps. It will ask you to confirm the transaction on your connected wallet. Let's confirm the transaction. System submitted the bundle to chain, waiting for it to confirm. Bundle got confirmed. Now head over to pump.fun and let's search our launched token. As you can see, it appeared on search list. Now let's go to its page. Here you can see the Our Buy transaction also got landed, and token should appeared on the wallet that you provided. Yeah, that's it for this video. See you in next one.